Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Brookstone collapsible laundry basket on the market. If you're looking for a practical, stylish, and space-saving solution for your laundry needs, this is the product you've been waiting for. The Brookstone collapsible laundry basket is designed with functionality and convenience in mind. One of its standout features is its ability to collapse down to just 3 inches in height, making it incredibly easy to store when not in use. Whether you live in a small apartment or just want to keep your laundry area neat and clutter-free, this basket offers a minimalist and space-saving design that fits perfectly into tight spaces. Despite its slim profile when folded, the basket expands to a generous size measuring over 24 inches long, 17.5 inches wide, and 10.5 inches high. This makes it ideal for holding a full load of laundry, so you don't have to worry about constantly emptying it out or struggling with an undersized hamper. The shape is a rounded rectangle, which helps maximize storage while maintaining a sleek appearance. Another key feature is the material. Made from BPA-free plastic, this basket is both durable and safe for everyday use. It's sturdy enough to hold wet or dry laundry without bending or collapsing unexpectedly, yet lightweight enough to carry around comfortably. Plus, the ventilation holes on the sides promote airflow, preventing damp laundry from developing unpleasant odors. When it comes to carrying your laundry, comfort is a priority. The basket includes non-slip grip handles on each side, designed to spread the weight evenly and reduce strain on your hands. This thoughtful design means you can transport heavy loads with ease and comfort, making laundry day just a little bit easier. Versatility is another big plus here. While it's perfect for laundry, this basket is also great for organizing various household items. From kids' toys to pet accessories, gardening tools, or towels, having a few of these around the house can help keep your space tidy and organized. The minimalist aesthetic ensures it blends seamlessly with any room decor, whether it's a laundry room, playroom, or garage. Cleaning this basket is straightforward as well. Its smooth plastic surface wipes down easily, so maintaining hygiene is hassle-free. Unlike fabric hampers that can trap stains or odors, this one stays fresh with minimal effort. Overall, the Brookstone collapsible laundry basket is an excellent blend of style, practicality, and smart design. It's a great choice if you want a reliable laundry solution that won't take up unnecessary space when folded, yet can hold a large amount of laundry when needed. If you're aiming for a more organized home with a functional laundry system, this basket deserves a spot on your shopping list. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.